So I recently got a brand new pre-built gaming PC from Micro Center. It's a PowerSpec, and I am loving it so far. But one thing I couldn't figure out at first was how to change the colors of the LED lights. So I'm going to walk you guys through it because I figured it out. You need to go to your start menu, and then under pinned, there's an app called Armory Crate. If yours isn't pinned for some reason, just search for this app on your computer here, or you can just Google it and then download from there. So I'm going to double click. And I already have mine open here. I just want to let you know that when you open it, you'll have to accept some terms and conditions. And that part was the trickiest part for me because even after I read all the terms and conditions and looked through them, I couldn't accept them for some reason. So I had to bump the scroll bar up and down a few times until that accept button became usable. It was very weird. So I just want you to know you're not alone if that happens to you. And hopefully after you jiggle the bar, it'll work. And if not, I think people said you can just uninstall the app and then reinstall it and it should work from there. So I just want to throw that out there. Okay, so we're in the dashboard. What you need to do is on the Armory Crate menu here, you go down to, I believe it is Aura Sync, and then to this tab called Aura Effects. And here we have all of our cool basic effects. Now you've got your static, that's your just one light, single light. You can change it. Right now mine is red, but I can change it to a nice pretty teal. Love that. Then you can do breathing, which is just a pulsating of color there, and you can change the color. I can do random, I can do a gradient. I mean, who doesn't love a gradient? You can choose the colors of your gradient. That is so awesome. I'm obsessed, especially as someone who's really into art. This is fun. Strobing if you're in a party mood, and I've bumped up the speed all the way, but proceed with caution. There's color cycle, rainbow. All of these are pretty straightforward. Music kind of alters if you're listening to music, I believe. Oh, waterfall. Cool. I don't really know how that one works, but I'm going to play with it. Smart reflects what's on your screen. No, it doesn't. Adaptive color reflects what's on your screen. Smart is actually the best one, in my opinion. It will show you the color by CPU temperature. So if your CPU is running hot because you've got a lot of programs open and you're doing too much, your lights will be red. And that is just a signal to you that maybe you should close out some things. Yeah, so that's it. This is how you change up the colors. And also if you want to just turn them off altogether, dark, you're good to go. So that's it. I hope that you guys found this useful, and I hope that you have a lot of fun with your new computer.